Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Ford Expedition versus Expedition Max. Let's dive right into the key differences, starting with size. The most significant distinction is length. The Max version extends nearly 1 foot longer than the standard Expedition. This extra length isn't just for show, it directly impacts the vehicle's utility, especially when you need to carry more gear. Both models, however, are designed to comfortably accommodate up to 8 passengers. Moving on to interior space, the Expedition Max truly shines in cargo capacity. You'll find over 15 cubic feet more storage behind the third row compared to the standard Expedition, which is a huge advantage for large families or long trips. While the standard model still offers plenty of room for groceries and gear, the Max provides that extra flexibility. Both vehicles maintain excellent passenger comfort, with ample legroom in all 3 rows. When it comes to driving dynamics, the standard Expedition has an edge in urban environments. Its shorter length makes it noticeably easier to park and navigate through crowded city streets or tight parking lots. However, both the Expedition and Expedition Max deliver a remarkably smooth and powerful ride, sharing the same robust engine options. Their towing capabilities are also quite similar, often exceeding 9,000 pounds when properly equipped, making them excellent for hauling. Finally, let's talk about value and making your decision. The Expedition Max generally comes with a higher starting price, reflecting its increased size and cargo capacity. Your ultimate choice will likely hinge on how much cargo space you truly need versus how often you'll be navigating tight parking situations. Consider your lifestyle and typical usage. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.